We're incredibly late. It's very, very early. If you live in Santa Monica, California, specifically on Bentley Boulevard, no, Bentley Avenue. Sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. The baby Mac can make up time. Okay, we're actually gonna slow way, way down. We're still gonna be late. Oh. Hello. What's up?
Hey,
what's up? So I don't, yeah. Baby Mac means Performante, but it's a fast. Nope. Oh, baby, the Baby Mac. Hello. There's nothing like a V10 Lambo, except for maybe a V12 Lambo, but ooh, those look sick. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog, and welcome here to Sunset GT. It's Baby Mac Day. Well, it's McLaren Day, but it's really the Baby Mac's kind of day. Guys, check this out. We got the two PSM Dynamic 570s. What do you think of these carbon hoods? Do you like these more or the 1016 hoods? The sickest Senna I have ever seen. It's full matte carbon. The darker colors look so much better on the Senna. We got the orange one over there that's cool, but this is so sick. We also got the P1. We got the EB110 from Bugatti. Whoa, no way. What is this car doing here? You never see EB110s. 2 days ago when I applied for the Ford GT, I wanted it. And now that I see it in person, I want the car so bad. What spec? I really think purple. I really think purple's the spec to go with. It's such a good looking car. The SVJ, I don't know if he's leaving. He might be revving it, but probably not. Revving is kind of frowned upon. We want him to rev. It's not that we don't want him to rev. He's not allowed to rev. That thing is nuts. The Super Veloce Yota. Check this out, guys. We got a Baby Mac. This one has all the carbon fibers from McLaren. It's got the carbon door inserts right there. Oh, it's got the carbon rear deck lid too. What? Crazy to think. I mean, back in August, that's what the Baby Mac used to look like, and now it looks so much better. I'm kind of sort of getting sad to see the car go. Last night I was driving it on the freeway, you know, keeping it right under 55 miles an hour, and I had a moment. It's like, this car's gonna be gone in 6 days. 6 days! But one of you guys is gonna own it, so that'll make it better. But whoever wins that car, you don't have to let me visit, but I'd really appreciate it. Usually this wouldn't be a very proud moment as a fellow 570S owner, but putting the lift down on a McLaren is a nightmare. McLaren, if there's any McLaren execs watching this video, which once again I'm sure there's not, but if there is, fix your lift system, because I mean, I would have left it up too, honestly. Performante Spider. I'm getting ready to wrap the Aventador. Would this color look good? I think it's blue Cephas. I'm pretty sure this is blue Cephas. Why is this car being driven right now? You never, ever, ever see EB110s. I want to say there's like 200 to 300. I'm sorry, I could look it up on Wikipedia right now, but I'm filming, so I can't. Sunset GT was fun. Now we're headed to the City of Industry for the winter drive, the Purist drive. It's not actually a drive, it's a car show. We have a squad. If you guys like Lamborghinis, specifically Super Veloces or Super Veloce Yotas, you're gonna be very, very excited. We're running, we're hustling. This is gonna be so sick. We have Super Veloce numero uno, Super Veloce number 2, and we have the Aventador Super Veloce Yota. This car is straight piped. At some point, we're gonna get some good revs. Maybe even right now. More to come, more to come. Dude, we're in prime position. Unsurprisingly, none of the cars get very good fuel economy. We're all on empty. 6 days. One of you guys is gonna own the Baby Mac. We got hats, we got shirts, we got lanyards, we got posters. Link in the description below, supercarmafia.com. Guys, the Baby Mac is famous. We're rolling with the first SVJ in the country. I promise you we'll get some revs at some point. If you're a headphone user, probably at this point, probably a good idea. We're just filling up the cars with fuel. I think it's like an hour drive or so. Time to roll. The Baby Mac is popping today, boys. What do you guys think? SVJ, take a moment, appreciate this back end. Man, it's a good looking back end. Girth Nation, you're impressed. And now appreciate the back end of the standard SV. Which do you like more? I mean, the SVJ's got so much more aero. It almost has a Veneno-esque style rear like deck lid. It looks so sick. We got the Huracan Performante there in blue Cephas. We got the Baby Mac here with the SVJ sandwich. This is so sick. So we got the Koenigsegg right there. We got a LaFerrari there. I think there's another Koenigsegg, maybe some Paganis. I hear there's food though. And honestly, let's be honest, we need food. Check out this Gallardo, but we have the Ferrari LaFerrari. This is the first time I have ever seen the rear deck lid open on the LaFerrari, the 6-liter V12 integrated with hybrid technology for 963 horsepower. So, I was reading the comments in the last upload. I kind of triggered the squad. You know, I drove the Baby Mac on the beach, which honestly was awesome. But I triggered you guys. What's up, man? I triggered you guys. This hero, this legend, he owns a Porsche Carrera GT. Check out all this dirt. What? What a hero. A manual Porsche Carrera GT off-roading. That's a goal right there. Someday soon. The owner's given me permission to take some of the dirt off the CGT. That is so cool. I think it's safe to say, in the history of the entire world, this is the only Porsche Carrera GT to ever be off-roaded. Remember when I said the Gallardo was the best sounding V10 in the world? I was wrong. It's a Porsche Carrera GT, oh my goodness. Hello. 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 What's up?
Hi guys.
Dude. Congrats on 1 million.
Thank you. Congrats on 1.3. Congrats to James on 1.3 million.
Do you remember in the Pittsburgh tunnel? Dude, Amir, thank you so much, man.
Until next time, my man.
Yes, guys, go check out CarBiz's YouTube channel. He hooked it up with the SVJ. He's the man. Look at that smug smile.
We're gonna do a lot of crazy stuff.
Yes,
together.
let's do it.
Yeah, so
cool, man.
the
Safe
12th,
travels.
I'm gonna see you. If you want, next time, if you're flying in, I'll just give you the R8.
Dude,
Right?
done. Done. Done.
All right.
Cool. See you guys. Take care. So I don't really know exactly where we're headed, but Hawaii Brad is gone. Performante all the way from Hawaii.
James.
Dude, see you, man. Good to see you guys.
Dude,
go check
so
out
much
Brad's
fun.
YouTube channel.
Thank
Link
you
in the
so
description below. If you wouldn't mind giving it like a little gas for the viewers.
All right.
Would you mind? So in today's food vlog, guess where we're going? Chick-fil-A. Oh no, we're not. It's Sunday. I want a piece of chicken so bad. I want Chick-fil-A so bad, but it's closed. Maybe Raising Cane's, maybe In-N-Out, maybe somewhere else. I don't know where we're going. If you look closely, you might be able to see tire marks where we launched the Zonda Cinque last time. It's race mode in the Zonda Cinque. The tires, they can't put down the power. We are venturing into the coolest garage in the world. Like actually, the coolest garage in the world. I mean, what else can you do? What? The greatest car in the world, the green Zonda Cinque. We are back at Dan the Man's Garage Cave Centenario. This is the latest car added to the collection, the fully exposed carbon fiber McLaren Senna. You got the Monterey blue accents. It's a matching pair to the Centenario. Girth Nation, the two girthiest of the girthy. Baby Mac is just chilling in the garage. This Senna, so the bright colored Sennas, the orange ones, the yellow ones are cool, but these really dark ones look so good. The exposed carbon fiber. I think this one or the matte carbon one we saw earlier is my favorite Senna. Wider BC, we have the Thor as well. Some of you guys may or may not have seen my live stream. If you haven't, okay.
There you go. All right, guys, hold on.
Ready when you are, James. Okay, I'm just gonna give it a moment.
Yeah, give it a minute.
What is going on?
Did you guys see that?
Good. have the new Carbon Senna, the Carbon Centenario, the Cinque, the Tricolore, the YRBC, the Agera RS, and the Baby Mac. If you guys did not see the live stream, go check it out. That YRBC, it spits fireballs. The Tricolore also spit fireballs. Go check out the live stream, but that's going to effectively end today's video. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, like squad, be sure to smash that like button. But just like that, this vlog is over, and I'm out.